Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can create vehicle loan using third-party dealer. So just have a look. So from the ledger, I will go to the add to favorite, and here I have already created one third-party dealer account ledger. Here you can see TM dealer. So I will go to the I will search one customer from the search bar and let's click to the loan. So I will select vehicle loan and you need to enter all the details of the vehicle and then registration details like vehicle class, trolley number, RTO token number. All this information you can mention here. So let's say I will enter some amount, some digits here. So after that, you can enter all the details and in commercial, we need to enter the vehicle price, then discount, down payment, and you can see here final amount is 23,000. Now, so this section is linked with document upload section. So here you can select the RC number, you can write the RC number and enter the RC expired date. So all this information you can enter and just add to the draft. Then the principal amount, you need to create the loan. So you enter here in the amount column. Then you need to enter the rate of interest. So let's say rate of interest 3% monthly and tenure is for let's say 6 months. So here I will calculate. Here you can see installment amount is 4523. Calculate and just click to save. So here loan number 13 is created. I will go to the search bar. Okay, so I forgot to add the dealer name. Let's create one loan again. Just I will quickly create the one loan of 23,000. So while disbursing loan, we need to the merchant will disburse this loan through the third party dealer account. So here you can see this is dealer name TM dealer. Now you can select the disbursement date and installment start date. So here I will calculate and I will save this loan. So loan number 14 is created. Now let's go to the search bar and search loan number 14. So here you can go to the transaction and check. So here if I click transaction, you can see the disbursement of 23,000 by cash. So it is on 10 October by TM dealer. So the TM dealer through this loan is disbursed. And if I go to the cash statement, go to the business summary, cash statement. Here you can just refresh. So if you check this, principal paid to TM dealer for loan number 14. So loan number 14 is for customer Zaidul and that loan is created through the dealer account. So this type the vehicle finance business also we can manage easily in Jainam Software. So thank you friends for watching this video and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.